So guys, season 3, The Mummy Club just dropped on Showmax today on the 15th of February, right after Valentine's Day. Right, the show is quite long, it's 1 hour and 10 minutes long. But firstly, what we're going to do, we're going to be discussing the new mummies in the show. Right, before we go any further, my name is Azad. Thank you so much for coming through to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe. So guys, the 4 new mummies are Nokwethemba Khumalo. She's from Upper KZN in the north. She comes from Enquthu. She's a real estate agency. Ushadile and unengane eyodwa yomfana. She's married to some Scottish guy. So umntwana manimbona on the show, she's gonna be a bit mixed race. Do not be alarmed. Secondly, we have Ovuyi. She's a widow. She has 4 kids. She also is an entrepreneur. It's just not clear what does she do for a living, but she has kids. A teenager, I think she's like 20 or something, but unezingane uvuyi, right? And then thirdly, we've got Peladi. Peladi, she's a farmer. Particularly, she deals with inkukhu or lamtuthu. Has a lot of money. I mean, most of us, we ate chicken maybe this week alone. So there's a lot of money. We've got that. And then we also have Mrs. J. Mrs. J is a spiritual healer. Guys, what's the difference between a spiritual healer and a traditional healer? Anyway, she's a spiritual healer. She also has a church, and she's also married actually. So yeah, the beginning of the show, Sibona Her Majesty introducing us to her new friends. She just recently had a boob job in Turkey. Beginning doesn't know was. I mean, it would show, but she's just covered up from the beginning of the show. Nozip. Nozip was a huge surprise. In the beginning, and it's like the producers knew who could see she's actually in the limelight right now because of the recent activities and they sit down with Her Majesty just to discuss how she's feeling after the whole ordeal. Mama video that we're not discussing the previous season. And Unozipho lapho looks so beautiful. Let's get this fish and this girl. Oibo. Hey mama of bang. 7, 8. Hey. So she says she's moved on, she's okay. She's made peace with everything. Yeah, bon. So that's that. And Her Majesty actually invites Nozipho on Twitter. This is gonna be happening. And she's like, all right, cool. I'm gonna be coming through. And then Nozipho, Her Majesty actually meets up with Mrs. Sunday. Niyakhumbula guys, Mrs. Sunday beno Her Majesty fighting season 2. Bechahana lapha kuma-parking lot, kwi-spa session or wherever. Hey, yabona nje mfethu. Kuyakuvela ubukhotheni. Kuzwazi ukufihla. Anyways, they meet up just to hash things out. And they again, Her Majesty had a lot to say about weight ka Mrs. Sunday. Why is it kaka? I don't know how I'm supposed to feel. You are not supposed to feel anything. It's not your weight. You did not lose anything. When you actually gained, and who said anything about your poop job? No one. So don't comment on other people's weight. They meet up. Babe shapo, bezi lunch, and then bakhulunda bayoya dinner zoza. Right, fine. But I kicking. And they get interesting on the show because it's the first episode, right? And we've got 4 new mummies. I think the producers of the show, they kind of like split duties between the 2 old mummies, which is Her Majesty, Beno, Mrs. Mops. These 2 are gonna be taking the 2 of each, these new mummies, to lunches so they can invite them to dinners over corner so that they can all meet up as a group. So we have Mrs. Mops is going to be meeting up with Mrs. J. Mrs. Mops and Mrs. J, they have a history. You remember Ratile Kabana Nobani? No, Mrs. Mops and Mrs. Mops did not have it. That business is actually Mrs. J's business. You know, this new mommy, the one who's a spiritual healer, that's her business. They meet up, they discuss it, and she agrees for she accepts the invitation. And then later on, Mrs. Mops also meets up with Peladi, the poultry farmer, Lowe Cook. They meet up as well, and she accepts the invitation. Nabubaya Zana in a way, not personally from what I saw, but through our socials. And then we have Her Majesty. Her Majesty sends out invitation to Ovuyi and she accepts, and they sent out an invitation to Unogotemba, the real estate agency, and she also accepts. Fine, no problem. And then usuku lwe dinner comes through. Oh, let me tell you, zibekwa nje already kuthe befika usesibebahle, bebebahle. Just begin with that. Bebebahle kakhulu. And they sit down for a dinner, kube mnandi, avule ngomthandazo uMrs Sande, asho ukuthi cha ngathi ngalunga konke okubheda khona kuhlangana ama-relationships alunge. Hayi, wabe sekhulumisile-ke ku-Her Majesty bafethu. Utheni-ke lapho Her Majesty? Hey, kama relationships abhedayo, wekho ama-relationships abhedayo lena broke ngathiwa hayi uMoses Sande wathi phela emina engosele invent awungimele kancane sis ngikhulume ngiqeda. Hayi ke soba offended-ke manje-ke Her Majesty ukuthi hayibo yini masukhuluma kabuhlungu kanje uzobene ngihambe phela ngoba ngathi uba rude. Lapho yena uqalile njalo. Ngabe uyamyekela omunye umntwana abantu ukuthi enze into athandwa uyena. Kulo dinner futhi nakhona a new beef just erupted between uVuyi noNoxie, Nokwethemba. So uNoxie uvele wabuza uVuyi a very weird question for a first meetup. Uzobuza umntwana abantu ukuthi what do you do for a living? Guys, we are in a dinner table. Uyaqala ukungibona, we are just greeting each other. And uzongibuza into kanjalo. Hayi akayiphatha kahle uVuyi lento uthi hayibo sis. Nokuba nje like really. You know like there's so many things that you could have asked. How azamahla ama-glass? Uyayibuka into ethile uyibukile imesha, are you a soccer fan? Are you a soapy fan? Like there's so many things we can discuss. Like it's like a person umuntu oqala ukubona ekubona legqoke ngane ubona iphethe ifuna ophethe iphethe athi awuhola malini hayibo there's things to be asked, there's not to be asked. Guys, it was a beautiful first episode. We're going to be discussing more episodes as they get released every week, but this one will be at the end. 1 hour and 10 minutes. We got to know the 4 new mummies. We got to see familiar faces. Mrs. Mops, Monozipho. We got to see the drama between Her Majesty no Mrs. Sande ukuthi ayikapheli. There's more is going to be coming through, guys. It's going to be unraveled on this reality show, Mommy Club Season 3. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.